Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen where I say normal is boring. So I'll be bringing you new amazing recipes you can try at home. And today's recipe is so simple. It's a UKwaju sauce recipe. These are just some UKwaju that I had soaked in the morning. It's almost 5 hours since I soaked. And here are some UKwaju. I wanted to show you how they look before soaking them. So this is basically how they look. You just wash them and then you just soak them. By soaking them, this help all the pulp to come out so nicely. And here you'll need to wash your hands very well so that you'll remove the pulp by your hands. And here I have two tomatoes, I have some cut carrots, I have one garlic, and I have a cut onion. So let's begin the recipe, guys. I'm so excited. Let's begin the recipe right now. So guys, what I'll do, I'll just cut this up into halves just like that. Big chunky halves just like that, and we are good to go. This is our pot. Onto our pot I'm going to add everything in, all the vegetables, and I'm going to add about 250 ml of water, just a little water to let our vegetables steam. Let's give this around 5 minutes to let them steam and cook nicely. Just like that. Well guys, I've already washed my hands. With the clean hands, I'm going now to just remove the seeds by just doing this, what I'm doing. Just remove the seeds nicely. You just press the seed down so that you can remove all the pulp, just as I am doing. Just do this nicely, just like this, and you can see all the pulp is out and the seeds are out. So this will be so amazing. Just do like this, and I promise you all the juice will come out. This is the only way you can do this. If you want to do with a fork or with something like that, but trust me, this is the best way you can do this. After I remove all my seeds, I'll sieve this to remove the excess pulp or the excess dirt that will be in there if it had not cooked, if it had not done well. Okay guys, so our next step that we are going to do, we are going to sieve this mix that we had. I'm going to use this sieve and sieve it here, just like this. Sieve this mixture up, just as I am doing. Mix everything up. Make sure you have sieved everything, and if your sauce will be too thick, you'll add some water. Continue doing this until you get everything out, just like that. By doing this, you remove all the impurities. As you can see, you remove all the seeds that are in. And just like that, we are done. Now, as you can see, this is how our mixture looks like, and I can see that it's thick because you'll need some blending. I'll add in a little bit water, And the mixture that we had is already cooked right now. Our mixture is already cooked right now. Hope you can see that up. This is how it looks. The mixture of tomatoes, of the carrots and the garlic is cooked to perfection. Just do like that. What I'm now going to do is blend it up, but before blending it, I'm going to add in my salt and a little bit of pepper. So if you have chili, this is where you add it in. Guys, I had some chili. I'm going to add it in just like that. I'll then add some salt like that, and now our mixture is ready for blending. So I'll just do this off camera so that to reduce the noise, but let me blend it and I'll show you the results. So guys, our mixture is ready. I'll just add it in just like that. That's our mixture. Looking so good and so yummy. And I'm now going to add in my bit of lemon to give it some taste. Just like that. And our UKwaju sauce is done. This is how it looks. You can add it in everything that you're going to eat, your meat, your everything that you need to eat. Your potatoes, everything. Let me show you a close-up of how it looks like. Everything that you may like, your potatoes, your everything. Just try this and you're going to tell me how it will come out, because mine came out so good. And if you want, you can thicken it. Just make sure you play with your water technique the way you love it, but this is how I love mine. So catch up on the next one. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.